Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put a white border around a cell in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel spreadsheet. We can see here many data. Now I am select some cell, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the border drop down menu and choose the line color and select white. Then again go back the option and click all border. Then select this option and select the fill color option and change the fill color. You cannot change this fill color. You not show the border is white. Go to the file menu and check the preview. Select the print option and check the preview. We can see here the all border is white. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.